Okay, so today we had a rainy day here at the house. We got bored, so we broke everything down, lubed them up, cleaned them up. We used our favorite cleaner. Everybody knows what that is. We used our favorite lube. Put that on all metal-to-metal contact points. All right, now we're just going to slap everybody back together. So we'll just start with the easiest one. F in. Okay, function check. Good to go. All right, we'll put the Z-Pat back together. Charging handle in. Coil spring. Dust cover. All right, function check. Good there. All right. Now, we will put the CZ Scorpion 3 Plus back together. It's a little greasy. We got it all lubed up. Go. We're good to go, guys. Everybody is clean and lubed, ready to go to the range.